Auideas.
Alright, how's everyone doing this evening? Back again with another video for you guys. And tonight, what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Auideas tempered glass screen protector for the Essential Phone PH1. Okay, now you guys know I've been on the hunt for some really nice screen protectors, and then this one is just the next in the line. Okay, so I got a bunch here because you guys know I am handicapped. Putting on screen protectors for me is a super challenge. So I got a bunch here because this is a 2-pack. So I got a bunch in case I make a mistake. We'll be able to rip it off and move to the next one. And this was actually very affordable, but we're going to talk about the price when I do the full review for you guys. So that being said, let's get into this unboxing and first impressions. So throw that off to the side. Now talking about the packaging, I have to say Auideas did a great job with this one. You got very minimal and straightforward packaging with your instructions on the back. And they also tell you they got an oleophobic coating. They got a high sensitivity coating as well. And they got a pet relief from film. So pretty much you got maximum protection here. And I should have maximum sensitivity. And this is an edge-to-edge screen protector for the Essential Phone PH1. So see what's all in this package here. So I think that's about it. So standard stuff. Throw this off to the side here. No other information. So pretty much you get your wet and dry wipes. Like I said, this is a 2-pack, so you get 2 screen protectors here. Alright. Then you got your dust removal stickers. Another set of wet and dry wipes. So pretty much your standard affair. Now let's take a look at what the screen protector itself looks like. So, okay, so this is your borderless design here. Not a big fan of these because these are really hard to line up, but I'm gonna give it a go for you guys. Now, I am gonna do this initial install off camera, and so you guys will see it again in the full review. But if you guys want to see an installation video, please let me know down in the comments. But this is tempered glass, so really high quality stuff here. I'm gonna be really interested to see again how easy the installation process is. You know, I'm hoping for minimal struggles, as I always do. And yeah, gonna go from there. So, you know, we're gonna leave this out because after I push stop, we're gonna go ahead and try to install this. So, yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. This is a real quick unboxing and first impressions. Honestly, the only reason why I'm looking for screen protectors because my Poetic Guardian series case is really good, and I'm really liking the revised version. But the real reason I'm looking for tempered glass screen protectors is because I got a bunch of other cases that I use for a certain period and then I haven't really been using them. And you know, I feel like the tempered glass and case combo is a little bit better than this all-in-one combo here, because a lot of these all-in-one combos, like the Poetic Guardian series, don't come with tempered glass screen protectors built in. They come with the cheap plastic stuff here. And the cheap plastic stuff on those type of cases, they tend to scratch really easily and they pick up a lot of gunk fairly quickly. So I've been on the hunt for a really nice tempered glass and case combo, and I have a bunch of really nice cases, but it's been a struggle to find a really good tempered glass that installs really easily with minimal bubblage or minimal bubbles, and I can still maintain that touch sensitivity that I like. So, anyways, this has been my unboxing and first impressions of the Auideas tempered glass screen protector for the Essential Phone PH1. If you guys and gals enjoyed the video, please help your boy out and give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Also, if y'all want to see an installation video, please let me know down in the comments. As always, let me get back on track. As always, if you guys and gals enjoyed the video, please help your boy out and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more raw, uncut content like this, please hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon so you get notified when I post new videos here on YouTube, okay? As always, all links to where to pick up this screen protector, as you see it here, and maybe the case and the Essential Phone itself, will be down below in the video description. So if this video has piqued your interest, please be sure to check out the video description for the most up-to-date links so you can get these screen protectors, cases, and so on and so forth at some really good prices. And also, remember guys and gals, if you use those links down below in the video description, which are my affiliate links, that does go towards helping the channel out. So that means that I get to bring content to you guys faster, giving you guys more of what you want at a more timely and speedy fashion. So please remember that as well. And as always, as I said, I'm getting a little repetitive. I apologize. Hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video, and I will catch you in the next one. I hope everyone has a good evening. Peace.